Sure. I mean, I think that a good way of thinking of it, if I present in a talk and organize that response, I would begin by emphasizing or illustrating what the principle of a circadian system is, which is well illustrated by an experiment that was done in the early 1800s by a plant biologist named de Moran, who had observed, as did, was known that the leaves of a plant called the mimosa plant open and close each day and night. So they exhibited a periodicity that was observed to align with the day-night cycle. But the question as to whether or not this opening and closing of the leaf movements of the plant was an intrinsic phenomena that was a property of the plant or an extrinsic environmental force. It was thought to be sort of, witchcraft days, and maybe it was a magnetic force or some other kind of mysterious force, could be acting on the plant in such a way. And so he did a very basic experiment. He just put a dark box over the plant and demonstrated by doing so that the leaves continued to open and close with the exact same periodicity that they exhibited when they were exposed to light and dark. So when they were in the regular environment, light dark cycle, the leaf movements conformed to the rising and setting of the sun. They were placed in the dark box and they exhibited the same periodicity. So that experiment established concept that all photosensitive species on the surface of the earth that are exposed to sunlight exhibit or possess an intrinsic time-keeping mechanism that actually is set to the rotation of the earth on its axis.